Namaskaram to all of you. So I'm Tanvi Gupta Bajoria. Today I want to make a video on how come I'm so committed towards my practices, that are my yoga practices, inner engineering, Shakti Chalan, Shunya and Yoga Asanas. And मैं आप सब लोगों को ये चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ that my commitment towards my practices is everything for me. That is the topmost priority for me in my life. मेरे लिए कुछ और मैटर नहीं करता. First and foremost thing is कि मेरी practices होनी चाहिए. And I want to tell you कि मैं पूरी रात ना सोऊं, पूरा दिन ना सोऊं, but I just ensure one thing कि मेरी practice होनी चाहिए. I can stay the entire day hungry कि अगर मेरी practices नहीं होती मैं पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खाती. I just want to ensure कि मेरी practices होनी चाहिए. That is the level of commitment I have towards them. And एक ऐसी चीज़ के लिए आपकी लाइफ में कमिटमेंट जिससे आप कुछ मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, and it itself makes you a very powerful being and a very strong being. I wanted to tell you this. And ऐसा डिवोशन है एक तरह से मेरी प्रैक्टिसेस के लिए, ऐसा कमिटमेंट है that no matter what I will just ensure that I have to do the practices. And now I wanted to tell you that from where the commitment towards the practices has come within me. So Sadhguru always says, and he talks about devotion. When the devotion comes, life would be, it's like end of a suffering for you. And I always want to know what this devotion is. He says that one should be always aware of their mortal nature. I think I know that I will die one day, or I can die right now, but still to understand it the way he says is like, it's a different thing altogether for me. He always says once you understand that you're mortal and you can die any time, you don't have any time for you to waste. Life will go just like that. It's not a long life. For the miserable people, it's a long life, but otherwise it's just poof and it's gone. So I want to experience the bliss of life. I wanted to experience the ecstasy of life, what this life is all about. I want to realize this life as life. So that's why the practices, the commitment towards the practices, somewhere deep down my heart, I know that these are the practices will only take me to there, because it's been 4 years कि मुझे practices करते हुए हो गए हैं, and I've come a long way, and there's a long way to go for me. So, and I know that someday I will be there, and I always, every single day, I just feel that before I die I should realize that what this life is all about. And in one of the stories Sadhguru was telling कि जब Shiva was imparting the knowledge to Parvati with a certain sense of intimacy, and when she realized that what is this life all about, she was blown away, she was mesmerized, she was ecstatic. She was just flying in the mountains, and when I was listening to that story, I want to feel that. I want to be there, and I want to experience it, that what it is to be when you just realize life and you are just flying. And that is why the commitment towards the practices, no matter what in life, till the time I'm alive, every single day, this one commitment I have taken is that I'm committed towards my practices. I won't eat, I won't sleep, I won't drink if required, but I will never miss my practices. And he always says, Sadhguru always says that you are just resistant. Every moment the grace is there, the very moment it's there, what this life is all about. But we are not realizing it because हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हमने resistance develop कर रखी है. Resistance of our own ego and the stuff we have accumulated, from lifetimes and all. So, but the very moment it's just there. I want to know it. It's just there. It's just like turning the coin. And practices, I feel, is the only way. There's nothing else. I just wanted to experience this, and that is the only reason that I'm committed towards my practices, and that's the only thing I have right now in my life. That's just the commitment. And this commitment itself is making me so powerful as a human being, so strong as a human being, that it's the ultimate thing that's happening to me. And I wish you the same if you have been initiated into such powerful practice such as Shambhavi or Shakti Chalan Kriya or Samyama. Just stick to your practices. Life will happen to you. The realization of life will happen to you. I wanted to tell you this. And that's the only thing I have. And if you have been lucky enough in this lifetime that you are initiated into these practices, please commit to them. Please commit to them. And I am sure the bliss of the life is not far away. Thank you very much for watching me. I hope you liked it. Thank you.